Magic 89.9.
Hi! So, kamusta na since the last time you've been here? Suki na nga kayo eh. 3 times the charm, right? Pangatlong beses.
We've been great. We've been busy. We've been doing our best every single day, preparing. And since we have a new song, we're promoting Mahika.
I know. Sobrang
Yeah.
perfect because nasa Magic kayo ngayon. Inabangan ko talaga yun na lumabas. Sabi ko, kailan kaya darating tong mga to dito? Kasi this song came out on February 12,
Yeah.
right? Just in time for Valentine's Day. And this song, I've been told, is very special to you guys kasi some of you co-wrote the song also. Sino dito yung... Believe. Introduce yourselves muna. Ayan, excite ako.
Becoming Limitless Beyond. We are Believe.
Hi guys, my name is Rafael.
Hello po, ako po si Carlo.
Hello viewers, I'm Clyde.
Hi po, I'm RC.
Hello po, I'm J-Mac.
Hello po, ako si ZO.
Hey, welcome again, you guys. Thank you so much for coming back, of course. And then nga, your new song, Mahika, just in time for Valentine's Day, is a different version ng song na dinala nyo dito dati. Kasi
Yeah.
it was a dance track, but now it's a more love song.
Yeah.
So, what emotion do you want your fans to or to feel this time around with this song?
As the title suggests, it's Mahika. We want them to feel magical and in love.
Yes.
Actually, may explanation si Kuya Z kung paano niya nasulat
Yes, hindi.
What's your
Parang
Ma-feel nila.
nung ginawa ko yun, iniisip ko lang yung mga nung high school days ko. Yung mga crush
school
ko.
crush.
Wow.
Yun lang, parang nung naisip ko siya, sabi ko parang nagkaroon ng magic sa utak ko na tuloy-tuloy ko yung sulat sa akin. Doon nag-start yan.
So, the last time na nagka-crush ka, high school ka, ganun ba?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sobra. Yung sobrang crush.
Yung sobrang hulog na hulog.
And gusto ko rin kasi makagawa talaga ng parang high school vibes na
Yeah, fresh.
song.
Fresh.
Yeah, it is a very youthful song. So is this the first time that you have written a song for Believe, or has there been a song before?
Actually, simula debut pa lang, meron na talaga akong input sa mga song namin, lalo na sa mga rap part.
Ooh, what makes the song different then from the other songs na ginawa mo?
Dito talagang full love song siya. Kasi nung una, kabanata, parang masyadong matapang. Say what you wanna say, matapang din. And hindi ka bibitawan is about dream naman. Ito talagang love song. Ito yung
Yeah.
madalas na ginagawa ko talaga. Halos napakarami kong love song na nakatenga.
And aside from that, this is the first song na
Purely.
Purely Believe members
Members
yung
yung gumawa.
gumawa.
Oh, yeah, it is a good song, you guys, and it is a perfect song for Valentine's Day as well. So I have to ask, what did you do on Valentine's Day?
we were on a date. We were on a date. A date with our fan.
Nasa Tarlac tayo.
Yeah, we were on Tarlac.
Sa isang school tour.
Yeah.
So kung wala kayo sa school tour, what would have you guys wanted to do on Valentine's Day?
Siguro kadate ko yung Valorant.
Kadate ko pa yung kama.
Kadate ko yung kama kasi pahinga.
Oo nga, tama, pahinga. Nagtrabaho rin ako nung Valentine's Day because that was a Saturday, diba? I also have work on Saturday. Safe answer, you guys.
Pero good
Tama,
thing na lumabas tayo kasi nakita natin talaga yung mga nagde-date sa labas.
Kumbaga kami yung kinilig
Hindi
para
kami
sa...
nainggit ha. Hindi kami nainggit.
Parang tawa pa tayo sa kanila.
Anong inggit? Di naman nakakaingit yun eh.
Oh, yun.
Hindi, walang nasasaktan tuwing Valentine's Day. Masaya, nagtrabaho kami. Thankful kami for the work.
Yeah.
Diba?
Nag-work
Thankful for the work. Maraming salamat. Ayan. So, hindi lang kayo part ng paggawa ng lyrics, but you, am I right? Was it also J-Mac who made the cover art for the...
Yes, I made the cover.
Yeah, kasi... para bang hindi peke, no? Pero the last time you were here, tama ba ako? Kayo ba yung pumunta rito na you were interested in architecture? Right?
Yes.
Inclined sa
Nice.
art.
Oo.
Yes. Yun po, yung sa art card naman po, parang hinayaan po ako ng manager namin kung ano yung na-feel ko sa song namin, and yun, kusa lang pong lumabas sa akin kung ano yung nagawa ko. Yes. Lumabas siya eh. Kusa siya eh, kasi
Magic din.
yes, magic. Pero isang fact lang doon, si Kuya Zio po kasi yung mainly nag-compose ng song and siya yung naisip ko na ilagay doon sa art card. So siya yung lalaking nakatayong ganun.
Ayun. Siya, yun nga yung
nakita ko pala
itatanong ko.
sabi ko,
actually.
picture ko to ah.
Nagulat na siya, ay ako to ah.
Bakit siya yung pinili mong ilagay? Mas okay ba yung silhouette
Idol
ni
niya.
Zio kaysa
Hindi,
dun sa'yo?
idol ko po. Hindi, hindi.
Sorry Sorry kung maliit ako
Hindi,
Hindi mo na,
ikaw
nahiya ka na lang
Ikaw kasi
sabihin.
yung nasa taas.
Iba pala din.
Iba yun.
Alam ko,
Iba
hindi
pala
yata
yun.
pa pwede
Iba
yun.
pala
Hindi,
Iba pala
hindi.
yun. So yun, si Kuya Zio nagpili ko kasi siya din naman yung nag-compose and dinedicate ko na lang sa kanya yung ano.
Oh, napaka-sweet naman talaga.
Gagawa kita ng kanta, J-Mac.
Yeah.
Balang araw gagawa ka.
Kanta ka sa akin.
Oh, okay. So you guys were part of the making of the song as well as the cover art. Now I have to ask, we'll go down the line kasi yung bagong salang natin dito di pa nagsasalita. Basta ka naman dyan.
Ano siya ngayon? Mahinhin.
Mahinhin siya ngayon.
Naka-off
Okay.
shoulder siya. Ay.
By choice, no? Jacket yan kanina eh. Okay. So, I have to ask, sino yung mahika sa buhay nyo? At hindi pwedeng sagot yung fans.
Oh.
Wala, hinarangan na niya.
Hinarangan na.
Sige.
Kilala ko kayo. Okay.
Okay,
So,
okay.
isa-isa tayo. We'll start with you, Zio.
Sa akin yung mahika is yung nanay ko. Yan. Yan lang.
Wala na ano.
Tama naman.
Ako ang mahika ko, yung members ko.
Pinili ko artista ha.
Magbula ngayon, bawal na po sagutin ng nanay at at ang member. Sige, no joke lang. Go, continue.
Ako naman po yung family ko po kasi lagi po sila nakasupport sa events po namin. So, kada ano po, yun po yung nafe-feel ko, mahika po talaga pag nagper-perform.
Napakabuting anak naman talaga naman.
Ako po parents ko talaga.
Me as well, my parents.
Yes, Arman, a few words.
Ako po, mahika po is dancing. Yes, because dancing, siya po yung parang nagbigay ng buhay sa akin. So, it's like a magic.
Sample.
Ganun.
Sample. O nga, kita ka naman. We are live on twitch.tv. Nayaman, naka-off shoulder ka na.
Wala pa pang sayaw yung mahika. So, hindi pa pwede.
Yeah, actually, I was also gonna get into that because you weren't here the last time that they were here and that was a very dance-focused track. And now na more on love song siya, it's something that you would sit down on a stage and sing to your fans. Alam niyo yun. How does it feel na this time around, it's tackling your vocals instead of your dance moves naman?
Since this song focuses on our vocal, siguro yung pinaka-challenge for us as a group is yung kailangan po kasi talaga pulido, polish yung vocals namin compared to the Gimme the Music. It's more like a popish music. Tapos ito, parang medyo ballad pop.
Yeah.
Tapos clear na clear talaga dapat yung vocals namin. So dapat double effort po talaga yung ibibigay namin for this song.
Yes. Tsaka yung emotion
thoughts ko.
di ba?
Yun
Kailangan
yung emotion.
pare-parehas
Iba talaga.
tayo ng gustong sabihin.
Oh yeah, like for example, on my part, dun sa bridge po yung
Yes.
yung
Ang lamig.
ilang beses
Parang patayin yung aircon.
ilang beses po
Hindi
na
na kami lahat.
ako po kasi talaga, yun nga, nasabi ko na parang yung dancing talaga, parang magic for me. So yung vocals po sa part ko, double effort po talaga yung pag-practice doon. Kasi gusto ko po ma-feel ng mga listener na yung emotion na dapat ipakita nung
Connect
part na yun.
talaga.
At saka lalo kasi is yung gumawa ng song. Siya
masyado
yung may gustong marinig kung ano yung dapat na emotion.
May pressure pala dahil ikaw yung...
Paano mo siya papakinggan?
Ito kailangan ganito eh.
Kailangan ganito eh, no?
Ito eh.
So sabi mo, wala pang sayaw yung mahika. Are we going to see a song, a dance
Itis mo
for
agad
it?
masyado.
Maybe.
You have to.
Meron.
Maybe.
Makikita na lang nila yan. So,
Malala.
na nakaupo lang talaga tayo.
Kulang at naka-mic stand tayo.
Oo nga, makikita lang nila doon. Oo. So, pero kung gagawa ng kanta, ng sayaw, anong vibe ng sayaw, if ever, for this song?
Feel good.
Ako hindi. Gusto ko yung talagang...
Cramp.
Oo nga, no?
Yung ganun yung style nung kanta. Tapos biglang pumipitik-pitik ka ng kaya nang bilib yun.
Kaya talaga. Kasi kakaiba. Naniniwala naman ako kaya niya.
But jokes aside, you guys stay tuned na lang and check our page for updates so you can see.
Shit.
Yeah, that is for sure. And of course, since we're gonna hold off on all dance challenges for this one, Muna, we have to hear the song in its full glory. This one is Mahika with Believe right here on the home stretch. Today's best music. We are Magic 89.9.
Let's go.
Yeah. Hey! Kala ko di ko na mararamdaman ito ang umibig sa isang katulad mo. Malangil sa ulap, nababaliw kapag meron ka ng ibang kausap. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Inaabangan ng mga pagsulyo mo, nasasabik na ngang makita ka. Ano ba to?
Ako'y nalilito, hindi mapaliwanag kung bakit lagi akong natutulala sa iyong mga mata.
Pag-iliw parang inahatak mo ang aking damdamin para makapiling ka.
Palaging ikaw ang laman ng puso at isipan, hanggang sa panaginip ko ikaw ang kasayaw. Yeah, ikaw, 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 ikaw.
Kalma na ang paligid pang ikaw nagtatabi. O ano ba yung maikaw? Yeah.
Basta sigurado na ako na mahal na kita.
Ano bang salamangka ang meron ka? Sa titig mo pa lang ako'y nabiyag mo na. Ano na nga ba ang lagay sa'yo sinta? Sa iyong ngiti para bang nakita ko ang
Magsisilbing liwanag sa madilim kong mundo. Ayoko sa iba, sa piling mo ang gusto. Naging kalmado ang paligid ng ikaw ang napusuan. Ikaw lang ang pipiliin, hindi ka susukuan. Aking marilag.
sa iyong mga mata.
Pag-iliw parang hinahatak mo ang aking damdamin para makapiling ka.
Palaging ikaw ang laman ng puso at isipan, sa panaginip ko ikaw ang kasayaw. Yeah, ikaw, 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 ikaw.
Ang paligid pag ikaw nakatabi. O ano ba yung mahika? Yeah.
Sigurado na ako na mahal na kita.
Mahal na kita. Yeah. At ikaw lang nais makapiling. Sana'y pagbigyan aking pag-ibig. Palaging ikaw ang laman ng puso at isipan, sa panaginip ko kasayaw. Ikaw, 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 ikaw. Yeah, oh ano ba? Yeah, iba ang pamahika.
Basta sigurado na ako na mahal na
Ikaw
kita.
na talaga. Ikaw, ikaw, ikaw. 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 Yeah. Nabihag mo na parang maikaw.
Today's best music, HK 9.9. Home stretch with Isabel Believe in the house with their newest single, Mahika. And di nyo guys naintindihan, kailangan nyo siya mapanood. We are live on Switch.tv sa Magic 899 TV. And if you missed it, you can find it on YouTube, Magic 899 TV as well. I feel like, alam niyo yung pag kumakanta si Justin Bieber nung One Less Lonely Girl, feeling ko ako yung nasa gitna na stage. Parang akong inaabot ng roses. Nakapaligid kasi sila lahat sa akin eh. Parang ikaw, ako talaga. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, you guys, for a softer version of Believe, right? So if the fans or the listeners want to find you guys online and if there are any gigs lined up, let us know.
Alright, so please don't forget to stream our latest single Namahika, which we just sang earlier. And you can listen to all of our songs on the digital streaming platforms. You can watch our special video of Mahika on YouTube.
And to stay updated, don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts at BILIB_official. Thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for coming. I hope you enjoyed it once again. And of course, balik lang ng balik papunta dito sa
Yes! Bawat release.
For sure. Bawat
Bahay na
release
natin
talaga. Oh.
Bahay na natin
Basta
ang Magic
dito.
89.9.
Dito sa show na to. Tama yan. Okay. Thank you so much, you guys, for coming. Of course, stream their newest single, Mahika, on all digital streaming platforms, and you can follow them on their socials as well. More of the music and an album review coming up later, but right now, Harry Styles with Aperture. You're listening to The Home Stretch with me, Isabel. Today's best music, we are Magic 89.9.
Magic 89.9.